To some, this may look like a certain suspicious substance. However, I can assure you that this is hair powder, and it's actually one of the most versatile hair products available these days. Step 1 is to ideally begin with freshly washed hair, and then you can either leave the hair to air dry by itself, or you can use a hairdryer. Now most hair powders, at least in the men's hair market, come in some sort of container like this one. A short tub that's just got a few holes in, it's a bit like a salt shaker, which is okay, and some of these can be really cheap to buy. However, I don't find these to be particularly convenient when using them, because you have to lift up a section of the hair, try and judge how much to pour on the section, and then keep going to a different section of the hair trying to pour it in again. I find generally it's difficult to control the dispersal, and sometimes if you end up pouring slightly too much, your hair can just be really clumpy. The power powder solves this dead easily. It's got a pump built right into the top of the container so that you can quickly and easily spray a light layer of the powder onto your hair. Normally 4 to 6 sprays from about 10 centimeters away will give you a good, light and even coverage on the hair. This works really well on short hair like mine, but if you have got slightly longer hair, then you can just lift up the section you want and easily apply just one pump to that section. You can just get in slightly closer for more targeted sprays. Step 3 is just to work any remaining product down into the roots of the hair. A light massaging with the fingertips will easily be enough, and we're doing this just to help reinforce the structure of your hairstyle. You want the product to be holding from the ground up, not just being a layer on the top. And then simply you can just style as desired. You can choose to use your hands or some form of comb or brush. The great thing with powder is that you can move the hair about a bit, but then it will stay in position once you leave it. So you can play around with your hair a little bit, or you can restyle it during the day if you want to and it'll still work.